Our words have the power to shape our world. Ever wondered why the words we speak hold mystical powers, shaping the very fabric of our reality? This video is your ticket to unlocking the magic within your language. Stick around, you won't want to miss this eye-opening truth. Have you ever pondered the immense power behind the words we utter? Recognizing it not merely as a tool of communication but as a force that shapes the very fabric of our existence. Every word uttered resonates with a frequency that echoes in the vast expanse of the ether, creating ripples in the unseen realms of consciousness. Picture your words as cosmic vibrations, weaving a tapestry of energy that extends far beyond the audible range. Neville Goddard, a luminary in the exploration of consciousness, guides us in understanding the intricacies of the law of assumption. This law posits that our continuous expressions, whether casual or intentional, serve as potent mirrors reflecting the landscapes of our inner world. Consider for a moment the implications of our habitual expressions of poverty, helplessness, or joy. These aren't merely words, they are imprints on the canvas of our subconscious mind, shaping the very reality we inhabit. It's crucial to grasp the transformative power held within each uttered syllable. The law of assumption teaches us that our subconscious mind, impartial and faithful, brings forth our expressed beliefs into tangible existence. If we linger in the realm of expressing what we don't want, we inadvertently affirm and solidify these very states in our lives. Thus, the shift from the negative to the positive becomes paramount. Our spoken words, infused with intention and positivity, act as alchemical agents, transmuting the raw materials of thought into the gold of manifested desires. This segment invites you to reevaluate the language you wield, acknowledging it not just as a tool of communication but as a sacred instrument for sculpting the reality you desire. Join me in this exploration as we harness the power inherent in the spoken word and embark on a journey of conscious creation. Unaware of the omnipotent nature of language, many fall into the rhythm of casual, negative expressions, unknowingly scripting a narrative of lack and limitation. This narrative, deeply ingrained in our subconscious, influences our reality with unwavering precision. Neville Goddard's teachings on the law of assumption beckon us to reconsider this narrative. If our subconscious remains impartial, faithfully manifesting our expressed beliefs, how imperative is it to transition from expressing what we don't want to affirm positive states? Picture this shift as a deliberate turn in the road, leading towards the sunlit meadows of abundance and joy. Affirmations, those deliberate and positive expressions, become the beacon guiding us toward the reality we seek. Cultivating genuine feelings of abundance, embracing gratitude, and fostering an abundance mindset lay the foundation for this linguistic transformation. Stay with me as we traverse the terrain of positive affirmations, exploring how these intentional words become the brushstrokes of a masterpiece painted by our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. A stark truth emerges: complaints, those unwitting expressions of discontent, possess an insidious power. Far from mere verbal releases of frustration, complaints act as catalysts, energetically reinforcing the very circumstances causing unhappiness. This perpetual cycle not only solidifies negativity in our reality but ripples into our relationships, influencing the very fabric of our connections. Consider the consequences. Negative conversations contribute to strained relationships, perpetuating a cycle of unhappiness. It's time to reclaim our narrative. Choose a powerful and uplifting language, for in doing so, we foster joy, vitality, and positive manifestations. Together, let's unravel the profound impact our spoken words have on shaping not only our personal experiences but the collective consciousness of the world. We uncover a profound truth: conversations are more than exchanges, they are reflections of our inner state, echoing into our external experiences. Every word uttered sends ripples into the fabric of our reality, shaping the narrative of our lives, Caution in speech is not just advisable, it is paramount. The alignment of our inner conversation with the frequency of love becomes the compass guiding our external communication. Consistently adopting a loving approach yields transformative outcomes over time. Our words become instruments of change, not just in our sphere but resonating in the collective consciousness. Together, let us navigate the profound impact of speech, wielding our words as tools to craft a reality steeped in love, joy, and positive connections. Remember that our language is the conductor orchestrating the symphony of our lives. Each word we utter paints strokes on the canvas of our existence, creating a masterpiece unique to our desires and dreams. So, dear souls, as you step back into your lives, carry the awareness that your words are not mere expressions but catalysts of transformation. Let them be a beacon of love, a force of compassion, and a herald of positivity. By choosing your words wisely, you shape not only your reality but contribute to the collective melody of our shared existence. If this exploration resonated with you, shower us with your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay tuned for more content. Stay blessed, stay positive, and attract all you desire.